Hello, YouTube friends and family. I am doing a faceless video today, and it is going to be a quick Dollar Tree haul. I went to the Dollar Tree on yesterday, and everything I got was $1.25. So, I was greedy. Yes, I got some cheese doodles. I'm so glad they're still carrying my favorite tortilla chips. Quick haul too. It was $18.85. I'm so glad they're still carrying these. I did get some rice because I have been completely out. Was so shocked that I let myself run out of this. But I still only grabbed one bag because they didn't have the cilantro lime, which was our favorite. Now here's some new items. They have this. Oh my goodness, when you catch yourself out in the sun and need some sunscreen, this will be something great. Maybe to keep in the car. I don't know with the heat, but SPF 30. BDS sunscreen lotion. Thought this was cool. Travel size. We still doing some summer traveling. We got micellar jelly water for cleansing, and I'm actually going to use this because I've been looking for stuff at night to just clean my face. And that is So Name brand, and it was $1.25. Can you believe that? And here is the this is dupe, Sol de Janeiro dupe, and I don't know, let me do a smell test. I hope I don't get none of this in my... Okay, you can't smell it through the wrapper. Child, I ain't gonna smell test this. A lot of other people have smell tested it. I'm glad that it's sealed so nobody's playing with it in the store. So we're gonna give this a try. Wow, and this would be cute together for a little summer. Find some more orange stuff, a little summer basket. I was glad to find that. Then I found some more spray sanitizer in watermelon scents. Love me some this and keep it in the car. And last but not least, if you saw my short, we have some books. Now, I was shocked to find this. This looks like a quick, easy read. Did not know this was a book. Leave the World Behind from Netflix. I got to find time to read that. And then this is Kick-Ass Healthy Lotta, Latent Autoimmune Diabetes in Adults. How to Thrive with It. So this is a good book, I'm guessing. And you know I like to look at the real price. Let's see what the real price is. $19.99 US. Let me pull that up so you can see. $19.99 US. There you go. And then this, The Family That Cooks Together. And I know I see him on that because I don't have cable anymore. But the show with Sonny and all of the people on it. So I see this dude on there all the time. And Zakarian, that's his name. And I guess these are his kids. And let's look at the original price on this one, because they were $1.25. Now this one don't want to come out smooth. This is $19.99 US. $19.99 US. So I did. I said I wasn't going to buy no more. I said I wasn't going to do it, but I did. And it's done. And let's see what Leave the World Behind was. Never heard of this author. Don't know if he wrote it after the movie, but regular price was $18.99. So $60 worth of books. And I only spent $18 and change. Everything was still $1.25. Stay tuned. I will be doing another Dollar Tree haul soon. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Ring the bell. And comment down below. Have you seen any of these books? Or have you found something better? Let me know so I can be on the lookout. As always, prep and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Bye-bye.